I've visited 7 countries in 2024, and this is country number 5. When you think of Bruges in Belgium, you think cobblestone, waterways, and gorgeous architecture. But when I visited, I got rain. And I don't mean the kind of drizzle where you can walk in between the raindrops. I'm talking torrential rain, needing a rain bonnet, raincoat, and an umbrella rain. Hair ruining, photograph ruining rain. But I enjoyed Bruges. Now, the one immensely. Adjective I've been using all throughout the tour is that is beautiful. And I can't believe they say Bruges is more beautiful and more idyllic than any other village we've seen. But now I am about to find out. I do not doubt it. Can you imagine how beautiful all of this would be if there was even a hint of sunlight? Since the word photo literally means light, this photograph would need way more light to show the place at its optimum. But you will just have to take my word that it was stunning.
I'm not supposed to kiss someone on that bridge.
I know, I was thinking, how can I? My travel mate and I were agreeing that it would be very romantic to have a kiss on that bridge. She tried to have her husband take a photograph of her with the horses, but I think I caught it for her. But as a solo traveler, I had no one to catch mine. I said fairy tale architecture and I said canals, but I did not say fairy tale architecture on the canal. It was stunning. Just imagine a little sunlight, if you will. When I return to Bruges, I promise I will be vindicated. But until then, this is just us walking around Bruges in the rain, capturing whatever we can with blurry, fogged up cameras.
You've seen the park is closed.
It was so beautiful. Everything was beautiful. And I promise you I know other adjectives than beautiful. But I was just in awe. So our tour guide just gave us a quick tour of the highlights. Because it was raining, we didn't get to do the full tour. So we dispersed, we had some food. I ducked into a Zara, which, is a big mistake for me because I am not leaving empty-handed. Rain was not going to stop me from raising my flag. I have been waving this flag for the past 5 countries. So what do you do on a rainy day in Bruges, Belgium? Well, you duck into a Zara and you try to contain yourself. But I couldn't. I bought some outfits. I bought pants. I bought tops. I bought a jacket. I could not resist. I'll show you the outfit I bought because I wore it in Scotland. I have said this before that sometimes I'm out and I'm trying to capture images of the places that I'm visiting, but it is so overwhelmingly beautiful that I feel like I can't do it justice, and so sometimes I just give up and just enjoy being in the place. So these are the photographs I captured. This is the best I could have done on that day, but like I said, I am going back to Bruges and I will get my revenge because Bruges owes me. All right, enjoy this montage and I'll see you in my next video where I'm jumping on a train in the middle of the night to go to Scotland. Stay tuned for that. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe. And I have a new channel called Gail Chooses Joy where I share more of my personal exploits. All right, thanks for watching.